Good morning, dear students. We are see the chapter number 2, Pythagoras theorem. We are going to learn problem set 2. Second question. Solve the following example. Find the height of an equilateral triangle having a side 2a. Having a side 2a is an equilateral triangle. The three sides are equal. The A, B and C is a 60 degree and A is a 60 degree. Angle are 60 degree. Solution. Let triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. Angle B is equal to 60 degree. Let AD perpendicular to BC. In triangle ABD angle B is equal to 60 degree. Angle ADB is equal to 90 degree and BAD is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, triangle ABD is a 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle. Therefore, 60 degree opposite is AD. AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 multiply by AB. Side opposite to 60 degree. Side opposite 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2 multiply by AB is first side is a 2a is equal to 2 and 2 cancel. Root 3a is equal to a root 3 units is the unit is the AD. Therefore, the height of an equilateral of the triangle is a root 3 units is the first question. Next one is the second question. Do side 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter from a right angle triangle give result. Solution. The side of triangle, the sides of triangle are 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter. The longest side side is 25 centimeter. 25 square is equal to 625. Now sum of the square square of the remaining sides is 7 square plus 24 square is equal to 7 square is a 49 plus 24 square is a 576 addition 625. Therefore 25 square is equal to 7 square plus 24 square. Therefore square of the longest side is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. Therefore the given sides will form a right angle triangle. Reason: converse of BPT, converse of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Next question: find the length of diagonal of a rectangle having a side is 11 centimeter and 60 centimeter. Therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. AB is equal to 11, BC is equal to 60 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 60 centimeter. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Is a hypotenuse square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Reason: Pythagoras theorem. Substituting value: AB is a 11, BC is a 60 square is equal to 11 square is a 221 plus 60 square is a 3600. Addition 3721. AC is equal to root 3721 is equal to 61 centimeter. Therefore the length of length of a diagonal, length of diagonal of rectangle, rectangle is 61 centimeter. Yeah, 61 centimeter. Next one is a question number 4. Question number 4. Find the diagonal of rectangle whose length is a 16 centimeter. Whose length is a 16 centimeter and area is a 192 square centimeter. Is a 2 marks question. Triangle, quadrilateral, rectangle ABCD. AB parallel to CD and BC parallel to AD. Solution. Solution. Let the quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle, BC is equal to 16 centimeter. BC is equal to 16 centimeter. Area of rectangle is equal to, formula is length into breadth, breadth is equal to, is a area is 192 square centimeter is equal to 16, length is a 16, height is a, breadth is a, breadth is a AB, with AB is equal to, AB is equal to 192 upon 16. AB is equal to 119 divided by 2. 16 ones are 16 ones are remaining 3. 16 twos are, AB is equal to 12 centimeter. AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Now triangle. Now in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Is hypotenuse AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to, AB square is a, AB is a 12 square plus BC is 16 square is equal to, 12 square is a 144 and 16 square is a 256 is equal to addition 400. AC is equal to root 400. AC is equal to 20 centimeter. AC is equal to 20 centimeter. Therefore, is a taking square root, therefore the diagonals of rectangle is 20 centimeter, is 20 centimeter. Is the fourth question. Next one is the fifth question. Find the length of the side is perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose height is root 3 centimeter. Is the most important question. Is the triangle ABC, angle B is 60 degree, angle C is 60 degree, angle A is a 60 degree. Is a 3 marks question. Solution. let triangle ABC are equilateral triangle. Angle B is equal to 60 degree. AD perpendicular to BC. In triangle ADB is equal to ABD. Angle ABD, angle B is equal to 60 degree. Angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, triangle ADB is a 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle. Is a 60 degree opposite to AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 multiplied by AB is a 60 degree opposite side. AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 multiplied by AB. AB is a AD is a root 3 is the equilateral triangle is height is root 3 is equal to root 3 upon 2 multiplied by AB. AB is equal to cross multiplication 2 root 3 upon root 3 and root 3 cancel. AB is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore, side of equilateral triangle is 2 centimeter. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side is equal to 3 into side is a 2 centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, the length of side and side is 2 centimeter and perimeter of triangle is 6 centimeter. The fifth one question. Next one is a sixth one question. Seventh one question. Triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. Point P is a base BC such that PC is equal to 1 upon 3 BC. If AB is equal to 6 centimeter, AB is equal to 6 centimeter, find the AP. Find the AP is a most important question in a 4 marks question. Given triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is an equilateral triangle. PC is equal to 1 upon 3 BC. To find AP, construction. Segment AD perpendicular segment BC. D between S BC. Proof or solution. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 6 centimeter. PC is equal to 1 upon 3 BC. 1 upon 3 कारण 1 2 3 पार्ट झाले आहेत म्हणून 1 upon 3 BC is equal to 1 upon 3 into 6. PC is equal to 3 1s are 3 2s are is a 2 centimeter. PC is equal to 2 centimeter. In triangle ADC is a angle D is equal to 90 degree. D is equal to 90 degree. Angle C is equal to 60 degree. Angle A is equal to 30 degree. Is a AD is equal to AD. C is a 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2 multiplied by AC. AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 multiplied by AC is a AC. This is a 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter is equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are. AD is equal to 3 root 3 centimeter. 3 root 3 centimeter. Next one is a 3 centimeter. CD is equal to half into AC. CD is a half of AC is a opposite side opposite to 30 degree. CD is equal to half multiplied by AC. AC is a 6 is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. CD is equal to 3 centimeter. Now DP plus PC is equal to CD. Yeah. DP plus PC is equal to CD. dp plus pc is a 2 is equal to cd is 3, dp is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, dp is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter in triangle ADP. Angle D is equal to 90 degree. AP square is equal to AD square plus DP square. AP square is equal to AD is 3 root 3 bracket square plus 1 square is equal to 3 square is 9, root 3 multiplied by root 3 is a 3 plus 1 is equal to 9 3s are 27 plus 1. AP square is equal to 28. Therefore AP taking square root AP is equal to 7 4s are is equal to 2 root 7. Therefore AP is equal to 2 root 7 centimeter is proved. Therefore AP is equal to 2 root 7 centimeter is the answer. Next one is the most important question, is the 4 marks question. From the information given the adjoining figure, prove that PM perpendicular to PM is equal to PN is equal to root 3 into A is a 4 marks question. Triangle PMN is a QR is a A, MQ is A, RN is A, is a equal proof. In triangle PMR QM is equal to QR is equal to A is the given. Q is the midpoint of segment MR. Segment PQ is the median PMR is the formula. PM Apollonius theorem, PM square plus PR square is equal to 2 PQ square plus 2 MQ square or QM square is a reason Apollonius theorem. PM square plus PR is a A square is equal to 2 into A square plus 2 into A square is equal to 2A square plus 2A square. PM